Let's take a look at this problem. This is solving a formula for a variable. A formula, very simple definition of it, is you got an equals and you got two or more different variables. Okay. Remember, solving a formula for a variable. Step 1, get rid of parentheses. And usually that's via the distributive property, although there's other ways to get rid of parentheses in terms of multiplication. Our second step is get rid of fractions. And we'll multiply everything by the LCM, least common multiple, of all the denominators. Step 3, get everything with the variable we are solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. Now when I say everything, I'm talking about terms. They don't have to be terms though, but for purposes of this course they are. Now step 4, if possible, factor out the variable we are solving for. And you'll have two or more of that variable if you can factor it out. And step 5, divide both sides by what is in front of / back of the variable we're solving for. Make that a little smaller. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. And let's take a look at this problem. We got V is equal to LWH. And we're solving it for W. Okay, first step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step, get everything with the variable we're solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. We're solving for W. So we want to get all the terms of W on one side and all the other terms on the other side. Well, we have that. All the terms of W is over here and our other terms over here. Step 4. If possible, factor out the variable we're solving for. You'll have two or more of that variable. Well, we only have one W here. If we had a W here and then we had another W, then we'd factor it out. Our last step, step 5. Divide both sides by what's in front of / back of the variable we're solving for. There's an L in front of it and there's an H after it. So we're going to divide both sides by LH. Then when we do that, these L's are going to cancel and these H's will cancel. And so we'll have W is equal to V over LH. And that's our answer.